Hi investors, we're gonna have a look at Safemoon, and this video is the one video that you need to understand everything about Safemoon, because I'm gonna look at the good things but also the bad things about Safemoon. So let's dive straight into it. And so this is where the magic begins. Safemoon. The first thing we are gonna look at is that this crypto is actually 100% community driven. And yes, community is what this cryptocurrency is all about, and it's actually the main selling point, I think, for this cryptocurrency. And community driven is for two reasons. First of all, there is a big community supporting this coin and potentially buying more and more, because it's getting easier and easier to buy this coin, but more on that later in the video. And also because the community has got some benefits by holding the coin, by simply holding it. And that takes me to the second benefit, RFI static rewards. So the holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of Safemoon grow indefinitely. And this is the number of holders as we speak, 1 million, just over 1 million actually. And so this is actually very positive because the community is very big and it's growing by the day. And on top of that, the longer you hold, the more Safemoon you collect, which is incredibly good, right? And guys, I will make more videos on Safemoon because I think it's an interesting cryptocurrency, and so that you're always up to date. Which takes me though to the first red flag of this token. Buying Safemoon is actually a bit complicated. I must admit that it takes quite a lot of time because you cannot buy with your currency. And before you buy Safemoon, you have to first of all buy Binance coin or Bitcoin or other coins like that. And then with that one, you have to buy then Safemoon. So that's actually a limiting factor for now. But I've heard rumors that they're trying to actually list it on a better exchange so that they can actually sell it for cash as opposed to Bitcoin or other major cryptocurrencies. And in terms of benefits, actually Safemoon has got even more. They have quite strong safety measures, and let's have a look at it right now. And this is what I'm talking about. There is a step-by-step plan to ensure 100% safety. And this is actually the main point right here. LP locked on DX locker for 4 years. But hang on guys, if this is actually a very good cryptocurrency, it's actually for one reason, and you have to actually decide for yourself. The most important factors are actually within the white paper, and I'm actually gonna show it to you right now. So just for your information, the white paper of a cryptocurrency is what the goals of the cryptocurrency are, and in this case the goal is to go to the moon. And what that means is they will finish the Safemoon exchange and our charity project. They will then create an African-based Safemoon office and begin hiring in those markets to create jobs. And then they're gonna do more charity work, basically. It's all detailed here. And so this is actually the main point of this video. Is this the kind of thing you want for yourself? I can't make a decision for that. I can lead the horse to water, but I cannot make it drink. If you, for example, believe in Safemoon, there is something that is actually very interesting and you must absolutely know, because it's one of the main benefits of this coin. There is an automatic liquidity pool. In this pool, first the contract sucks up token from sellers and buyers alike, and then adds these tokens to generate a solid price floor. And second, the penalty acts as an arbitrage resistant mechanism that secures the volume of Safemoon as a reward for the holders. And so here you have two sides of the coin. Yeah, that's a bit of a stupid pun, but basically the coins that get taken away from you when you buy and sell Safemoon, first of all, are a way to discourage selling Safemoon to start with. So you don't want to sell Safemoon, and you actually want to hold, because if you're holding, you get the coins of those who are actually leaving and also the coins of those who are buying. And on top of that, all these coins do not just get redistributed to everyone. They also go to the exchange where they are not touched by anyone, and they actually create the price floor so that the price shouldn't drop any lower than where it is now. I know it has dropped quite a lot recently, but it shouldn't go any lower than that. Which takes me to the main point of this video. Is it a good time to buy this stock or not. Now, cryptocurrency is probably the most speculative and risky play you can possibly have. Like, you couldn't even buy anything that is more risky than this. And that being said, I do not advise to have more than 5% of your portfolio on crypto, because obviously it's very risky, and if you lose it, hopefully you will not even feel the pain of it. I know that that's not the case, because obviously some of my stocks have been going down, and yes, I'm mostly in stocks, and so overall you should not be able to like suffer too much. That being said, so you keep your amount of crypto low, I think that Safemoon could be an interesting cryptocurrency, and also very speculative one. One thing is, for example, Bitcoin, and you know Bitcoin is not gonna go anytime soon. On the other side, you have Safemoon, which is one of the most speculative, and so in terms of risk, you know that is gonna be very high. But with the risk, it also comes a lot of reward, and you know that with Safemoon you can definitely 2, 10, 100x your initial investment, whereas with Bitcoin it will take quite a lot of time, if any time at all, to 100x money. And so this is the kind of things you need to think of. I'm overall very bullish on this crypto, but like I said, do not go crazy on it and do not buy a ginormous amount. Especially do not go all in. I said it, do not go all in. And like I said, I'm very bullish on this crypto, and so I'm gonna make video updates on Safemoon as soon as any news comes out, so that you're always up to date. And if you want to learn how to invest in these very critical times, just join my Patreon group. It's the first link in the description below, and I'm gonna review your portfolio, and on top of that you get a lot of benefits for my Discord group. And if you want to look at another speculative play, but probably far less speculative, how about IDEX? The video on the screen right now are the latest news on IDEX stock, an EV play. So click on the video.